Let me say this right now. If someone is telling you you can make $10,000 or even $50,000 in 3 months, please don't fall into that trap. Because I've been there. I tried it too. I believed the hype too. And I'm telling you from real experience, it's not that easy. I didn't start making money quickly. It took me 1 full year to even reach the point where I can confidently say, okay, now I know what I'm doing. And honestly, that's how it is for most people. Not because they're lazy, but because this game needs something most people don't talk about. Time plus skill plus trust. And here's the truth. The internet is full of people showing the results but hiding the process. They'll show you screenshots. They'll show you success stories. But they won't show you the months of failing, learning, fixing, and improving. So people start thinking, if I'm not making money in 30 days, I must be doing something wrong. No, bro. You're normal. That's why in this video, I'm gonna break down the real path. Not motivation, not fake promises, not overnight success. I'm gonna show you what actually works, the steps that take you from being a beginner to looking like a professional and actually getting clients who trust you. So if you're tired of the fake 3-month millionaire advice and you want the real roadmap, stay till the end. If you're into this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos.
Now listen, before even thinking about getting clients, you need to understand one thing. Skill comes first, always. Because the biggest mistake beginners make is they rush straight to the money. They start watching videos like how to get clients fast, how to make 5K in 1 month, how to sell services online. And I'm not saying those things don't work, but here's the issue. If you try to get clients before you build skill, you're basically setting yourself up for stress, disappointment, and embarrassment. Because the truth is, clients don't pay you for effort. They don't pay you for trying. They don't pay you for learning on the job. They pay you for one thing, results. And this is why you need a training phase first. This is the phase where you learn first the tools, the technology you are really going to use. Not everything, not 25 tools, just the ones that match as your path. Second, your workflow, how you work step by step, from the moment you get a task to the moment you deliver it to the client. Because clients don't want messy work, they want smooth delivery. Third, you learn quality, how to deliver work that looks clean, professional, and polished. Because online first impression is everything. And the last one is the most important one. You need to learn how to solve problems fast, because real projects are not perfect. Real work comes with bugs, errors, unexpected issues, and when the client is waiting, that's when the pressure comes. That's why this training phase matters so much. It prepares you, and the main goal is simple. You must reach a level where you can confidently say, I can solve this problem. Because when you have the skill, getting clients becomes easier. Not because the market changes, but because you change. You become the type of person that can handle work, and when you can handle work, money follows. You want to actually build confidence in what you are using. Our free community gives you real hands-on experience with these tools, so you can genuinely be confident before you ever sell a product. Alright, so once you have done the training phase, once you have learned the tools, learned the workflow, improved your skills, the next problem you're going to face is this: credibility. Because even if you're good, even if you know what you're doing, people will ask, okay, but can you show me something you have been before? And this is where beginners get stuck. They start thinking, how do I prove I am good if I don't have experience? How do I get clients if nobody trusts me? How do I build a portfolio if I don't have work? And the answer is simple. You start building projects. This is the cheat code. But listen, not random projects. Because I see a lot of people build useless things like a to-do list app, a calculator app, and weather app. And I'm not saying those are bad for learning, but they don't impress clients. The client doesn't care if you can build a calculator. They care if you can solve their problem. So instead, you need to build real-world projects, things that look like actual business solutions. For example, a small shop inventory tracker, a booking system, a customer management application, a simple website with contact services, pricings, things that people can actually use. And the easiest way to start building Those real projects are building hobby projects for people around you, relatives, friends, small shops near your house, because the point is not the bad, the point is proof. And once you start building real things, 3 things happen. Number 1, your confidence increases, because now you're not guessing anymore. You have built real stuff. Number 2, you gain experience, because each project teaches you problems you can't learn from tutorials. And number 3, you gain proof, and proof is what sells. Your portfolio becomes your weapon, because when people can see your work, they stop asking, "Are you good?" and they start asking, "How much do you charge?" That's when the game changes. So remember this: skill makes you capable, but portfolio makes you believable. And if you want client, you need to be believable. In your screen right now, you're seeing some of the projects we have built for real clients so far. And I'm not saying this to show off. I'm saying this because I want you to understand something important. This was not easy. We didn't just get a contract and magically build everything in one day. Once we started, we had to have multiple meetings just to get the requirements clear. Because in real client work, if the requirements are unclear, the whole system becomes messy. And honestly, some parts didn't work the first time. Some workflows broke. So we had to invest time to debug, fix, and build certain pieces until it became stable. But here's the key reason we were able to deliver all of this. We learned the tool first. We trained, built confidence, and practiced enough until we could say, "Okay, I know what I'm doing." And when you have that level of confidence with your tools, client work stops feeling scary and it starts feeling like a process. And if you want a detailed guide for this process and how to get at the place we are in right now, you can look at our video on how to deliver AI projects, and you will know the exact process on how to deliver like a pro. Now let's talk about another part that most beginners ignore: looking professional. Because listen, you might be skilled, you might be talented, you can even build amazing things. But if you look unprofessional online, clients will not trust you. And I know that sounds harsh, but it is the truth. Because in online work, clients are not sitting next to you. They can't feel your vibe in real life. They can't see your personality properly. So the only way they judge you is by what they see. Profile, your portfolio, your posts, your website, your communication. And the online world is built on one thing: trust. That's why professionalism matters more than people think. So what do you actually need? First, a clean portfolio. Not 20 random projects, but a few strong ones presented properly. You want the client to scroll and instantly understand what do you do and what you can build. Second, a personal brand. You don't need fancy colors, logo, or aesthetic editing. Just be consistent. Use the same name everywhere. A good profile picture, a clean bio. You want to look like a person who does this seriously, not someone who's trying out for fun. Third, clear social media presence. Because sometimes clients don't even hire the best person. They hire the person they feel comfortable trusting. So when they check your profile, they should see you're active, you post useful stuff, you know what you're talking about. Even if it's just once a week, that's enough. And fourth, this is the most important one: a clear service offering. You have to clearly say what you do, who you do it for, and what results you give. For example, I build automation systems for businesses to save time and reduce manual work. Or I build websites for small businesses to help them get more leads. Simple, clear, no confusion at all. Because if you don't explain your service clearly, the client will think, "I don't know what this guy actually does," and they will click away. Now think about the client's mind. When someone visits your profile, they should instantly feel this guy is serious. That's it. And once they feel that, they start trusting you. And once they trust you, they start paying. Now here's another big point. Clients don't come from begging, not from spam in DM, not from copy-paste messages. Yes, you can message people, that's fine. But what actually gets clients is this: proof plus professional presence. That combination is deadly, because proof makes you credible and professionalism makes you trustworthy. And once you land your first client, everything changes. Now you have experience, you have testimonials, you have real work results, you have income, you have confidence. And once you have that, you don't need to chase clients anymore. Now clients start coming easier. And that's when you scale slowly over time. Not overnight, not in 3 months, but in a real way, in a real stable way. That's the path. If you are serious about building solutions like this and you are willing to learn step by step and work on real projects, you're welcome to join our free community. Inside, we teach everything from ground up, starting from zero with practical hands-on guidance. And if you're someone who's interested in using this solution but doesn't want to dive into technical side and instead wants to move faster and scale sooner, you can also partner with us and hire our tech team to build these systems for you. Either way, the goal is the same: helping you move from ideas to real working solutions.